My experience with ICS was seamless. From start to finish, they make you feel comfortable, they're so friendly, they are genuine, and they explain the process from beginning to end. My husband and I are very big car people, very picky. They're kind of our babies. And he had a project that he needed done for his car, painting the entire car, and James, he did it perfectly. We couldn't have asked for a better job to be done. He built the Pontiac Firebird, the Knight Rider kit car. So he painted that, and he has shown that car many times and been able to say ICS Collision did this paint job, because people comment on it quite often. James is a very genuine person, and so you know what he's telling you is honest and accurate, and I trust him. I would recommend ICS Collision because they are an honest company. They run their business honestly and ethically. They are genuine people that are caring. They want to do the best job for you. They want you to be happy with their work. And there's nobody that's going to do as good a job as they do.